14,000 monthly DP, minimalist house near Manila and airport. Kaya naman kung interesado ka, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. 2-story complete finished turnover with minimum lot size of 52 square meters. Kaya naman may provision tayo for 1 carport. At pasok dito ang SUV or kahit van pa. Cemented na rin ang ating service area at carport. At almost fully covered na ito dahil expanded na po ang ating unit. May floor area ito na 55.6 square meters. Kaya naman may enough space tayo para sa ating living, dining, and kitchen area. Pasok na pasok ito for minimalist interior design. Livable na talaga ito upon turnover dahil included na ang ating water and electricity. Kaya naman gamit mo na lang ang kulang. Total of 3 bedroom and 2 toilet and bath ang meron tayo for Newville Townhome. Available through Pag-ibig, in-house at bank financing for as low as 14,000 monthly DP. Located ito sa Barangay Sanja Mayor, Tansa, Cavite. Approximately 60 minutes drive lang ito going to Manila and airport and 1 bus ride lang ito going to PITX. Few minutes drive nga lang din ito going to SM Tansa, Robinson, General Trias at Vista Mall Tansa. Accessible din ito sa hospital, schools, worship area, central business district gaya ng Maple Grove and Evo City at marami pang iba. Kaya naman kung interesado ka sa property na to, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!